Have you ever wanted a label with file name on each placed graphic? A user did and asked me to make a script. Now I'll share it with you. Label graphic links for InDesign. I'll show the script in Windows. It works the same on Mac OS. This script works on an open document. You can put the labels on a separate layer to hide or disable printing, but you'll have to create the layer first. I've made one named Graphic Labels. Uncheck Print Layer if you want, or turn off the layer when printing. Or maybe you want the labels to print. Your choice. You can also make a paragraph and object style for the labels, but it's not required. I'll show it both ways. To run the script, open the Scripts panel. I already have the script installed in InDesign. For help adding scripts to InDesign, see the link in the description for another video that shows the steps. In the list, select the script, label Graphic Links. Double-click to run it. If you have any graphics selected when you run the script, you may choose to label only those selected, or label all throughout the document. I don't have anything selected, so the only choice is All. Choose the layer for the labels. Paragraph and object style, I'll leave none for now. Click OK. And placed graphics are labeled with their file name. Because I didn't use a paragraph or object style, the labels are the default formatting. Go to the Edit menu and select Undo. And we're back to where we started. Let's use a paragraph and object style this time. I've already made both, one for the text, another for the frame. Run the script again, but this time, choose the styles. And the labels are formatted as desired. Using styles, we can change every label by editing the style, without having to create the labels again. Download the script and give it a try. See the link in the description. This script is open source. Edit it however you like, or add to it and make a script that does even more. Subscribe so you're notified of upcoming videos, and like this one if you found it helpful. Any problem with the script, leave a comment, or post ideas for new scripts. All my best scripts began with a user request. All suggestions are welcome. Thank you for watching.